This is the new 63 engine, guys, the flat crankshaft. The webcam, I noticed it just on top of it, is 0.2 seconds slower than the GLE 63S. Move to the side, where we noticed the newest MB.OS system, the operating system, the GLS with the third row possibility. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Right here we have the new GLS 63. This is the second facelift, and in today's video I will show you the exterior, new design, aggressive front, the interior, and of course all new gadgets. This is the new 63 engine, guys, the flat crankshaft. It has 612 horsepower, but let's first focus here at the front, since the grille has increased in size compared to the first facelift. Also the headlights, they are huge, they connect to the front grille, and this one does not have the night package, so we have chrome elements around the grille. Also in the front diffuser, it looks a little bit more matte-like down there. Beautiful with the Mercedes stars vertical. As you can remember, when we drove the camouflage GLS in Vegas, it was very obvious that the stars, the Mercedes stars in the headlights were on top of each other. And this really shows the family SUV, like the larger one, especially in the rear view mirror. And right now, without camouflage, of course, you see now the headlights move into the front grille, as I mentioned. This looks way more aggressive than the Mercedes-Benz variant. We have the V8 AMG emblem right there on the hood, and the hood actually connects to the grille. There is an opening, and this actually is functional since it needs to cool the engine. So let's move to the side, where we notice the new GLS family look. Just look at the side view, guys. Beautiful with the C-pillar, very bold statement, especially with these new 23-inch forged wheels. They are kind of like monoblock, but not really, with the openings. And you have two variants, one in this matte black, but also one in silver. Of course, you can also go for the ceramic brakes, carbon ceramic. These ones are the standard AMGs, and then you can select different colors like red or black. Then we have the running boards over here, and with the sunlight shining on the vehicle, you really notice the majestic blue exterior color, which is the new color. So I have the key right here. Since it is a new vehicle, the new GLS second facelift, I do notice the key hasn't changed though, which is cool because the newer ones on the CLA, for example, are very tiny. So I will just press and hold the unlock button, and there all the windows open, including the full panoramic roof. And here we see new interior, especially the stitching with the brown accents and the lines. So I will just open the door. Beautiful diamond stitching and the patterns right here on the seat. There we have the new brown lines, orange-like, with gloss carbon fiber dash and door trim. This is the super screen, as we know from the Mercedes-Benz GLS. And we have V8 AMG emblems right there at the headrest. Beautiful panoramic roof that opens. Amazing, guys. This one has the high-end Burmester surround sound system, so we have speakers right here. Also on the ceiling. Also on the pillars and on the ceiling. And if you want to close all the windows, you just press the Mercedes star, which is the lock button, and you hold it. And that takes us over to the rear. Just look at the design, guys. We are already used to the Mercedes star being lower, so in the level of the taillights, and now we see it finally with the 63 look. So quattro exhaust tips on both sides. They are in chrome, since it is not the night package. If you go for the night package and actually the night 2 package, you will get darkened chrome for the lettering, the emblems, and also for the diffuser in the rear. We have 3 stars on each side, showing that this is part of the S-Class family, and the Mercedes star right here on this black panel. So I will just press the button to open the trunk. There it opens fully automatic. And we have the third row possibility. You will not get it in the GLE 63. So if you have family with more people or maybe animals you have to carry around, then you can have the GLS with the third row possibility. So we have storage space down here. Buttons to open or extract, interact all the seats. Also for the third row. So you can just push it. And there the third row will go all the way down. So from the trunk we have a quick glimpse of the interior. We have large tablets over here for the rear. And of course the super screen, which is all the way from left to the right. So let me close the trunk with the button over here. It also has the kick with the foot so that it closes. And let's have a look at the interior. Of course, keyless entrance, so you just put your hand inside and it will unlock or lock. There we have the new infotainment super screen with MBOS. High-end Mercedes surround sound system, as I mentioned, with the speakers on the pillars. Napa leather with stitching and the gloss carbon fiber. You also get the speaker over here for the high-end Mercedes surround sound package. Then we have the new AMG steering wheel with the buttons, so also the physical buttons over here for the volume, or right here to change the Distronic Plus. Beautiful seats. So let me close the door. Soft closing doors, of course. Beautiful invitation at the super screen. They will press the button for the electronics to work. And we have gloss carbon fiber also here at the center console, and now new also on the armrest, or the handrest I have to say. Some storage space. Beautiful Napa leather as an option. And we have the head-up display. And now also for the first time the augmented reality in the head-up display integrated. Because it has the newest MBOS system, the operating system. It is included with the Mercedes-Benz AI, so it uses Gemini and ChatGPT to answer your questions. And depending on the question, it will use the right technology. These are the air vents. It does match the new S-Class design. It is of course not the same. We do have the panels for the air vents, and this is more SUV-like with the what's inside. Soft closing doors also here at the rear. And there we have the large tablets in front of you. They have also the webcam, I noticed it just on top of it. So you can just open the camera like this. I do not see the benefit yet, but obviously you can open the camera and have some meetings. Then we have the blindings integrated in the door. And optionally cup holders over here with an extended center console. There is also the option to have it warmed or cooled for the drinks. Then we have the center part that you can pull out. So we have an extended center console with the new two devices, just like in the S-Class. And a beautiful view of the interior. And the GLE Coupe 63S, the video is also online of course, so you can check it out. So let's have a look at what is under the bonnet of this GLS 63. You have the security leather, you have to just pull it. And there we have a beautiful cover with of course the handcrafted by emblem, one man, one engine. Beautiful. So we have 612 horsepower. The GLS 63 accelerates to 100 kilometers an hour in just 4.2 seconds. It is 0.2 seconds slower than the GLE 63S Coupe. Beautiful, guys. So there you can see how it connects actually to the grille. So there you can see how it connects. And there is this gap for air to flow through. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the GLS 63, the ultimate family vehicle, the top of the notch for AMG when it comes to luxury. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.